Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick TJ Maxx haul. I've been seeing so many hauls with wrapping papers that are like gorgeous, so I decided to go check my local TJ Maxx, see if they had any, and I did have some luck. So the first one I picked up is this super cute one, which is like all ice creams. Make sure that the focus is not, there you go. How cute is this, you guys? It's just like sundaes and the teal and the pink. I love it so much. And then I got this one, which has a bunch of little cute little llamas. Isn't that cute? So I got that one. I picked up this one that has a bunch of little puppies with little party hats on, which is super cute. I love the teal blue. Then I picked up this one, which has like a bunch of flamingos and parakeets and hippos just swimming around with their little tubas. Isn't that cute? How can you pass these up, you guys? And then I got this floral one, which is adorable and perfect for summer mail. And then the last one I picked up is this one, which is like a shimmery with the mermaids. This one is beautiful as well. And you guys, they're only $2.99. So if you have a TJ Maxx, definitely go check them out. So that's all the wrapping paper that I picked up. I also picked up a mug. You guys know I love mugs. And I saw this flamingo one and I just had to have it. So this had to definitely come home with me. And then I saw these cute little gift bags. And they're adorable. I think it's like a little lamb. And I think it's from the Easter collection or something, but you get 3 and it was only $3.99. So I picked that up. I also got these cute emoji little face masks. You guys know I love me some face masks. Plus I like to gift them as well in Happy Mail. So you get 5 for $3.99 and they're purifying masks. But how cute is that? I love packaging. Super cute packaging always gets me. Then I saw these on Solange's haul and I found them in mine and I thought they were so cute. So I decided to pick them up. Her haul definitely inspired me to go to TJ Maxx. So thank you, girl. And then I picked up another mask, and this is by Miss Spa, and it's just one mask and it's a hydrogel facial mask. I think I'm going to try this one out tonight. And then you guys, I don't know what I'm going to do with these, but they're so cute. And they're just some cute little napkins with little burgers, a little gold pretzel. And they were just $2.99, but they're adorable. And I couldn't pass them up. Then I also picked up these cute little cupcake liners. These were also in Solange's haul. And they're so cute. I love the little unicorn. I love the design on the sides. Can't wait to make some like rosettes with them. That's what I use it for. And then I picked up this pack of gift bags, and you get a total of 8 party bags, and you get mint green, white, yellow, and like this peachy color. And they have like little tassels, which is adorable, and they were on clearance for $5.50. So I got those. And then the last 2 things that I picked up was by the brand Paper Love, and they're just some favor boxes. And they're super cute. They have like this little puff ball on the top. And they were just $3 and you get, I think, 10 boxes, which is a great deal. So I picked that up, and then the last thing I got was these tissues, and I like them because they're scalloped and I don't have anything like that. So I figured, why not? But yeah, you guys, that's everything I picked up at TJ Maxx. Let me know if you guys went to your local TJ Maxx and found any of these goodies. But that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.